Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Awaken Thinkers. Today I'm going to talk about very important topic. Like every year around this time the same thing happens, right? Like YouTube fills up with videos like reset your life in 2026, do this before 2026 and change everything next year. And most of us watch them. We take notes, we make plans, we feel motivated, and then a few months later nothing really changes. Why? Not because you are lazy, not because you didn't try, but because we are solving the wrong problem. Here's the thing that we need to take care about. You don't actually need to watch every video about changing your life in 2026. You have been doing that every year, haven't you? What you need right now is not more motivation, it's clarity. Because before planning 2026, just pause for a second and ask, where am I right now? Not where you want to be, not where you think you should be. Your current position, your real position. Are you trying to get a job? Are you already working and trying to grow? Are you thinking about starting something of your own? Because here's the thing, each position needs different actions. For example, someone trying to get their first job doesn't need the same habits as someone building a business, right? Another is someone exploring freelancing doesn't need the same focus as someone climbing the corporate ladder. But every year we all follow the same advice, same routine, same habit list, same do this in 2026 videos. That's where most people go wrong. So instead of planning everything for 2026, try this. First, identify your current position. Second, decide what outcome you actually want next. Third, ask yourself what skills does this outcome need, and then just build those skills. That's it. Not 50 habits, not a complete life reset, just focused progress. Another thing most people don't realize is this. Planning feels productive, no doubt. Watching videos feels like progress, but opportunities don't come from plans. They come from skills, from how you think, how you communicate, how you show up when it matters. And these things don't change overnight, they change when you work on them intentionally. So before 2026, guys, don't ask, how do I change my whole life? Instead, ask, what direction am I choosing right now? And what skills does this direction actually require? Ignore the rest. If you stop chasing every piece of advice and start building skills with clarity, 2026 wouldn't feel like another reset year. It will feel like real progress. This channel is not about hype, it's about thinking clearly and building what actually matters. If this made sense to you, you're exactly where you need to be. Thank you. Bye bye.